we're gonna go inside first. Yeah. So this is our first time at the Anaheim Packing House. Let's see what's open. Are you hungry, baby? And nothing is open. Ta-da! Everything is closed. Oh, let me go pee first. Some are open, some are closed anyways. But yeah. It's an outdoor dining that you can do. What we got, he got a garlic shrimp, so which is this one. Yum! Oh wow! And then this is what I got, Cajun shrimp. Ah, wow! Yum! Let's eat. Are you gonna eat now? Put your thing. Wow. Somebody's hungry. It's all done. Yum. So what do you think of the BCE 206 BCE?
Super good. We thought at the beginning it was super big for just 2 persons, but in conclusion we ate close of everything, no?
We finished all of it anyway. So it was so good. It was very authentic. And which one is your favorite part?
The garlic.
Yeah, the garlic part of it. So yeah, it's an 1850 each tray, but I think one should be enough for the 2 of us. But
yeah, probably just 1 plate, but 2 doses.
2 rice. Yes. Anyway, if you happen to go here in Anaheim, don't forget to go to here at the Anaheim Packing District. You will not regret it. Even though it's pandemic, they still some stores that's open. So yeah, and then they have the outdoor dining for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo.
That's it. Thank you.
And then we will see you again in the next video, exploring what we can do, what we can have during pandemic. We'll bring you to our vlogs and adventures. If you like that one, subscribe, like this video, and give us a thumbs up and comment below. Bye.